What are you guys doing in there? The Holiday Inn Express Mount Vernon is located right off of the 6457 interchange. So what, guys, what do you think about this hotel?
It's great.
It was great.
It's good.
Would you stay here again?
Yes.
Again, would you stay here again?
Yes.
Okay. This is a prime location for travelers because it's located within walking distance of several restaurants and shopping nearby. After a long day of traveling, you can relax by the pool or find your second wind in the exercise facility. All right, hit the button. Nope, nobody's in there. All right, numero uno.
Now.
Be sure to check out our other videos here.